Welcome to Shruti's Online School, where we believe that learning should always be fun. Get your notebook, pen, pencil, eraser ready. Keep your mind focused and let's start learning. Hello everyone. We are learning simplest form of a fraction. So, in the previous video, we have already discussed that simplest form of a fraction is to reduce the fraction to its lowest possible form by dividing the numerator and denominator with a common factor. So, in the previous video, we saw about divisibility by 2. In this video, we are going to focus on divisibility by 3 and divisibility by 5. So, examples of fractions divisible by 3. So if a number has got the sum of the digits divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Let's see a few examples. Example number 1 is the number 21. In the number 21, the digits are 2 and 1. So let us just add the digits 2 and 1. You get it as 3. Now 3 is divisible by the number 3 and hence 21 is also divisible by 3. Next number is 33. We just add the digits of the number 33, that is 3 and 3. You'll get it as 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Now this is divisible by 3 and hence 33 is divisible by 3. The next example we take 43. The digits of the number 43, 4 and 3. We add, we get 7. So 7 is not divisible by 3. 7 is not divisible by 3 means in 3 table you don't get 7. Therefore, we say 43 is not divisible by 3. This is not possible to divide, but this 2 can be easily divided. Now let us see examples. Example number 1, the fraction given is 12 over 15. We need to reduce it to the simplest form. So what we do is 12 and 15. Now if you see, 12 is an even number with digit 2, whereas 15 is an odd number with digit 5 in the unit space. Now let's check the divisibility by 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 means 12 is divisible by 3. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, which is divisible by 3, and hence 15 is also divisible by 3. So 12 and 15 both are divisible by 3. I divide both of them by 3. 12 divided by 3 gives 4 and 15 divided by 3 gives 5. Now if you compare the digits 4 and 5, they both do not have a common factor. They both do not go in any other table except for 1. So hence 4 over 5 is the simplest form of the fraction 12 over 15. Let's see example number 2, where we have 36 over 45. So 36 over 45. Now 36 is having 6 in the unit space, which is an even number. It is divisible by 2. But if you see the number 45, 5 is an odd number. 5 is an odd digit and hence 45 is an odd number, and so it is not divisible by 2. Now when you see the digits 3 and 6 of 36, if you add them, 3 plus 6, okay, we can just solve them here in rough. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So this number is divisible by 3. 45 has got the digits 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So this number is also divisible by 3. Hence both are divisible by 3. 36 if you divide by 3, 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. You bring 6 down. 3 twos are is 6. 6 minus 6 gives 0. If you divide 45 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. You bring this 5 down, 3 fives is 15, and then you get 0. So 36 divided by 3, 36 divided by 3 gives 12, over 45 divided by 3 gives 15. Again, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So this number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. This number is also divisible by 3. So we divide both of them by 3. 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. And then 4 over 5. If you see 4 and 5, they both do not go in any other same table. So 4 over 5 is the simplest form of the fraction 36 over 45. Now we move on to the next example, that is 90 over 54. We write 90 over 54. Now 90 has got digit 0 in the units place, okay, which shows that it is easily divisible by 2. And 54 has got 4 in the units place, which also shows it is easily divisible by 2. But we are not dividing both of them by 2. We'll just check divisibility by 3 because these two are big numbers. Now when I check divisibility by 3, I add the digits 9 and 0. I get 9 plus 0 equal to 9. It is divisible by 3. I add the other digits 5 and 4 of the number 54. I get 9. It is divisible by 3. So this shows that both the numbers 90 and 54 are divisible by 3. I divide by 3. 90 when I divide by 3, 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. I bring this 0 down. 0's is 0. Then I divide 54 also by 3. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 gives 2. I am bringing this 4 down. 3 8's is 24. So when I divide 90 by 3, I get 30. And when I divide 54 by 3, I get 18. Now again, if you look at these numbers carefully, what you'll find is 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So this number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. This number is also divisible by 3. So 30 divided by 3, 18 divided by 3. 3 tens is 30 and 3 6 is 18. Now here 0 and 8 both are even digits. They both are even divisible by 2, but we are dividing by 3 so that our steps reduce and our work becomes easy. Now if you compare 10 and 6, you will see 10 is an even number, 6 is also an even number, so they both are divisible by 2. So 10 upon 6, both divided by 2. 2 5's is 10 and 2 3's is 6. Now if you see 5 and 3, they both do not have any other common factor, so they cannot be reduced further. Hence 5 over 3 is the simplest form of the fraction 90 over 54. Now we move on to examples of fractions divisible by 5. So for divisibility by 5, numbers which have 0 or 5 in the units place. Numbers which have 0 or 5 in the units place are divisible by 5. You just need to see the numbers and the digits. For example, I write here 15. So 15 has the digit 5 in the units place, so it is divisible by 5. I write the next number as 26. 26 has got 6 in the units place, so it is neither 0 nor 5, so it is not divisible by 5. Then I see 32. 32 has got 2 in the unit space, which is neither 0 nor 5, so it is not divisible by 5. And if I write here 40, you see 0 in the unit space, so this is divisible by 5. Now let us see the first example where we have 25 over 60. Now if you look at the numbers carefully, 25 has got 5 in the unit space, 60 has got 0 in the unit space, and they both are divisible by 5. Hence 25 over 60 divided by 5. If we divide 25 by 5, you get 5 5s is 25. And if you divide 60 by 5, 5 ones is 5, 6 minus 5 gives 1. We bring the 0 down, 5 twos is 10. So 25 divided by 5 gives 5 and 60 divided by 5 gives 12. Now if you see both 5 and 12, 5 will go only in 5 table, 12 will go in table of 2, 6, 3 and 4. But they both do not have any other common factor. Hence 5 over 12 is the simplest form of the fraction 25 over 60. Now we move on to the second example, which is 35 over 70. If you observe the numbers carefully, 35 and 70, you see in the unit space 5 and 0. So 5 and 0 means they both are divisible by 5. So 35 over 70, they both are divisible by 5. So we divide by 5. Now when you divide 35 by 5, you get 5 sevens are 35. When you divide 70 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. You bring the 0 down, 5 fours is 20. So you get 35 divided by 5, 7, 70 divided by 5, 14. Now if you check both 7 and 14, you will see they both go in the table of 7. 7 ones is 7 and 7 twos is 14. So we divide both of them further with 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1, 14 divided by 7 is 2. Now 1 and 2 cannot be reduced further, hence 1 over 2 is the simplest form of the fraction 35 over 70. Now the next example which we have is 100 over 80. Now this can be done in two methods. Here you can see that both 100 and 80 have got 0 in the units place and both can be divided by 10 because both have got 0. So 100 divided by 10 gives 10, 80 divided by 10 gives 8. 10 and 8 both go in the table 2, both are divisible by 2, which we have already seen earlier. So 2 5s is 10 and 2 4s is 8. And later on 5 and 4 do not go in any other common table, hence 5 over 4 is the simplest form of the fraction 100 over 80. The other way around is, which is little big, one step more, 100 over 80. Both have got 0 in the unit space, they both can also be divided by 5. So we just divide them, 5 2s is 10, we get this 0 down, 0s is 0. We divide 80 by 5, 5 ones is 5, 3, we bring the 0 down, 5 6 is 30. So 100 divided by 5 gives 20, and 80 divided by 5 gives 16. Again 0 and 6 both are even digits, hence 20 and 16 both are even numbers, so you can divide them both by 2. 20 divided by 2 gives 10 and 16 divided by 2 gives 8. Again 10 and 8, they both are even numbers, so you can divide them both by 2 as we have seen earlier. So 10 divided by 2 gives 5 and 8 divided by 2 gives 4. Ultimately 5 and 4 do not go in any other common table, they do not have any other common factor. Hence 5 over 4 is the simplest form of the fraction 100 over 80. Thank you everyone. In the next videos, we'll watch the examples of fraction divisible by 7 and other numbers. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like, share and subscribe to Shruti's online school. Your subscription really matters to me. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to be alerted for new videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye.